If you apply makeup, clean brushes are essential. Beauty pros know a clean set of brushes for every application is the best way to ensure proper hygiene and showcase your true artistry. To use Lavaaj, place it in the bottom of your sink and press firmly to allow the suction cups on the bottom to hold Lavaaj securely in place. Lavaaj is flexible enough to fit rectangular, square, round, or oval sinks. Add lukewarm water and a drop of all-natural Castile soap or a gentle cleansing soap of your choosing. Then, lightly swirl your brush and let hundreds of silicone fingers create a foam to massage away bacteria, oily residue from skin, and virtually every trace of makeup. Lavaaj eliminates the need for vigorous, damaging scrubbing motions that splay your bristles and can reduce their lifespan. Long, finger-like projections gently but effectively clean bristles all the way to the ferrule without causing undue damage to the bristles themselves. Notice the two independent textures. Use the smaller surface to clean your eye makeup brushes and the larger surface for face brushes and makeup sponges. You can hold multiple brushes in your hand to maximize cleaning efficiency. Specially designed ridges thoroughly clean your precision brushes for eyeliner and cream products. Now let's see Lavaaj in action. Lavaaj is made from high-grade silicone rubber, which is hypoallergenic and dishwasher safe. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or enjoy applying beauty products at home, Lavaaj can shave minutes, even hours off your cleanup routine. You will never clean your makeup sponges the same way again. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or just enjoy applying beauty products at home, Lavaaj can shave minutes, even hours off your cleanup routine. When done, rinse Lavaaj with clean water and affix to the side of your sink to drip dry.